how to fix this sign in option is disabled either on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First thing what you need to do is just come over to your PC and simply restart your PC while holding on to it by shift. So once you restart your PC from over here, just make sure you hold the shift key and then restart. So once you do that, what you need to do next is you will be entered to this screen after setting or pressing shift and restarting it for the first time. And once you're inside here, simply select the troubleshoot from over here. So next what you need to do is just click on this advanced option, and from over here select startup settings, and you will be redirected to this page where you can simply click on this restart button to restart your PC. And once you're inside here, you should be seeing this screen where you will have to press 5 or F5 based on your computer or device. And once you do that, you will be entered on the safe mode just like that. So once you're inside your safe mode, you will be, or you may be, looking at your black screen or any Edge browser or something like that. So it doesn't really matter if in case you are being shown black screen or Microsoft Edge. So now all you have to do is just restart your PC from there and your issue should be fixed just like that. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.